Hey everyone, grab a strip of hair from the top part and how split them into four, and then between the two, how a strip of hair borrowed from the sides and how it in between. Then after that, with the current one as the reference, do continue the same until you reach the bottom part of your hair. Then after that, tie the end with the rubber band, securing it, and also drop in your favorite hairpin. Tie your hair in the middle and how a tail, split them into two parts, and how a top section a ponytail and how a rubber band, and make a loop and drop the tail into it, making a twisted band, and bring the entire back section come to the front and how it as a bow tie design. Then with the remaining section of the hair, make a loop and how three sections of hair in the thinner braids. Grab some hair from the left section and how it's split into two parts and how the loopy braid and how it attached to the right side. Another strip of hair from the left side right below the first one and how a loopy braid again, but this time pinch out the braid to the maximum as you could. Do continue the braiding until you reach the right part. Then after that, secure the ends with a rubber band and drop in your favorite hairpin. Make a bunch in the top section of the hair and have a rubber band attached top middle part, and make a loop in the middle one and drop the left section and right section strip into that, and make ponytails on each side by combining their hair from the front section and how it braided. Then do have another braid from the front section of thinner braid and make a loop and drop in your favorite hairpins. Grab the sides of your hair and tie in the middle of the rubber band and have another strip of hair right below it and have it tied in the same way and drop it inside the first loop we had. And grab another strip of hair, this time in a thicker manner, and drop it inside again after doing the same thing. Then also split the hair into two and have it braid and make it to the top. Have a ponytail and have a strip of hair from the right side and drop it into a loop on the top section. Continue doing the same until you reach the very end of the ponytail, making it empty. And after that, with the strips of hair we had, twist it into a very thicker manner and have it into a braid and roll it to the top and have it secured there. Make two ponytails and have them split them into two parts. In the top part, have a rubber band and drop the loop into it. Then have the entire back section come to the front and make it as a bow tie design, and have a strip of hair into a braid and drop it in the middle. Then have another two braids as well. And continue doing the same for the right side as well. And if you want, you can decorate with your hairpins. Have strips of hair in the front and have a ponytail with the back section of the hair, and bring the bottom section of the ponytail into the front and split them into two parts and have it braided with a gap between by having a strip of hair from the front section reset. And do the same for the right section, and also combine both the braids together at the back and drop in your favorite hairpin collection. Make a ponytail on the top section of the hair and have it go to its own loop from bottom to top and have it come back. Then split them into two parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. Do the same braiding on the opposite side and secure the end with the rubber band, and have it combine both with a common rubber band at the back side of the hair. Grab a strip of hair from the left side and have it braided in a thinner manner and have it secured with a rubber band. Do the same braiding on the right side as well. Then combine them both with a common rubber band and secure it temporarily. Then grab another strip of hair from the sides and tie it in the middle and have another rubber band, make a loop and drop the tail into it twice and drop the tail into a parent's loop and bring the braid back. Tie your hair in the middle and have it split them into two parts, and have each of them split them into four parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner. So do continue the braiding until you reach the bottom part of it and have it secure with the rubber band and drop on your favorite hair clip. But this time what we're gonna do is remove the rubber band on the top part, so cut it off. Make a ponytail out of your lovely hair and have it split them into two sections and have each split them into two parts and have it braided in a very thicker manner by twisting them against each other and secure the end with the rubber band. Do the same braiding for the other side as well, and after that swirl the braid against each other and have it secured with a hairpin. Make a ponytail out of your gorgeous hair and have it twisted and make it swirl in a clockwise manner and have it into a bun, and have the tips come into the center and have it come down. Then have it stretched a little bit and also the buns as well. Then also secure that with the rubber band. Thank you everyone for watching this video.